Hi everyone, this is Sultan with Rexteam, and this will be a series of videos where I will give you unique marketing techniques that you can use to increase your WooCommerce sales during the Halloween. So let's get started. Halloween is just a few days away, but it's not just a time to get excited about candies and costumes, it's also a time where people are excited about shopping. Last year, US consumers spent over $8.8 billion just on Halloween sales. And this year it is expected to go even higher because online shopping has continued to rise since May 2020. So it is also expected that there will be a surge in internet sales from October till November. Now this is a big opportunity for you to increase your revenue if you own a WooCommerce store. You have to make sure you take important marketing steps to increase your sales. The marketing techniques I will give you will surely help you increase your sales and hopefully give you an edge over your competitors. Alright? Now each marketing technique I'll explain to you is highly proven to work, and it will definitely give you a high possibility to get increased sales during the Halloweens. However, before I get into the techniques, I want to give you a few best practices that you need to apply. During any special occasion, you need to redesign your website to match the occasion. For example, since Halloween is coming up, it's your task to redesign your website to give it a Halloween look. This will add to the excitement that your buyers have for the Halloween, and hopefully this will earn their trust to buy more from your page. Now, you can buy templates for your theme, or you can buy templates from your page builders, whichever suits you, or you can even design your website using your own designers. Now, this might seem like a bit difficult work, a lot of work before Halloween, but if this can bring you more sales, then it's all worth it, right? Anyways, so now let me get into all those marketing techniques that will certainly help you increase your Halloween sales. So let's get started. So now first let me give you a summary of all the marketing techniques that I'll give you, and then I'll create individual videos for each and every marketing techniques with actionable examples so that you can follow them accurately. Alright? So here are the marketing techniques that I'll be explaining. Number 1, stock up with Halloween items to spice up the occasion. You need to get in some products that are Halloween specified or Halloween themed for your industry or your niche. Alright, so sometimes you might feel like, hey, I'm selling maybe electronics, how does that relate to Halloween? But believe me, there are unique ways you can make it happen, and I'll explain all of that. Number 2, issue a daily countdown flash sale. Basically, this is a unique way where you'll keep your customers excited to come back to your website, if not today, again tomorrow, to see what offers you have. I'll show you unique ways to apply this method so that people keep on coming back to your site. Number 3, make buyers curious to add more products to the cart. Basically, there are smart ways you can customize your page or implement special features that will make your customers add more products. For example, you can add a discount for more quantity added to the cart. That's just one small way. There are many more ways where you can do this, and I'll be explaining all of that in that video. Number 4, run unique promotions that your competitors can't think of. Now you see, what most people think of is using pop-ups or ad banners during Halloween to show their discounts. Now these are pretty common ideas. Now I'm thinking of some unique marketing ideas that you can implement that will give you an edge over your competitors. These are stuff that most people doesn't even think of, but this will get you more sales. Number 5, make checkout sales funnels a trump card. You see, funnels are a great way to increase sales and reduce your acquisition cost. And the more you use funnels, more you can have the same customer buy more products. So in the video regarding this marketing technique, I'll show you smart ways you can use funnels to set up upsells and downsells so that your customers add more products to the cart. Number 6, make your Halloween email campaigns more productive. You see, everyone will run email campaigns during Halloween, and yes, people do read a lot of emails during Halloween to get discounts. But did you know that most people use the wrong technique? For example, you bring in some new Halloween products, and if you instantly email them to your customers, there is a chance that most of them will not buy it. Rather, there is a different way you can go, a different approach with your emails that will let you sell your new products as well as your existing products much more than you can expect. And I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Number 7, leverage the reach of large marketplaces. You see, large marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Google Shopping, they usually get huge traffic during Halloween. And you should also consider promoting your products there during the Halloweens. So I'll also explain how you can go on about it using a reliable tool so that it gets easier for you to promote your products on good marketplaces. Number 8, use videos to present your spooky items. Basically, videos work most with people, and if you have videos of your most valuable items, it will get you more views and possibly more sales. However, there are techniques to make your videos much better. The video script is a crucial matter here, and in my video regarding this technique, I will tell you how you can optimize your video script so that your video can get you more sales. Number 9, optimize smart suggestions on the product page. Basically, you need to understand how to give proper suggestions of products when someone is on a product page. Alright, you cannot just give the most popular product as suggestion to any product. It has to be relative. Alright, so in this marketing technique, I'll tell you how you should choose proper product suggestions and when to use them. Number 10, create a special page just for Halloween. Since it's Halloween, why not give itself a separate page where you'll put all the promotions and discounts in one place. Now I'll let you know how you can optimize this page even further in the video for this marketing technique. Now those are the marketing techniques I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. Now in those videos, I'll give you actionable tips and examples so that you can execute each and every one of those marketing techniques properly and increase your sales. If you are able to use most of these techniques, then I can assure you, you will get more sales than expected easily. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and move on to those videos where you can learn all about those unique marketing techniques that I have for you.